Here's a nice look from in between 52nd and 51st Street. You can see the glass panels being installed. Here is an even better look from Park Ave and East 48th Street. And remember, everybody, this building's just a quarter of the way up. Still has a lot more to go. The last time I filmed from here, I believe the building was up to, I believe it was only up to where the glass is at now. That is a lot of progress. Alright, this is the corner of 2nd Ave and 56th Street. Here again is 432 Park Avenue. See, more concrete is being brought up to the top. So yeah, this tower's definitely made a lot of progress. I'm gonna go over to Roosevelt Island now and take a look from there. So I'm pretty sure if the tower can be seen from New Jersey, it should be able to be seen from Roosevelt Island now. Again, this tower will be a total of 89 floors, taller than One World Trade Center. There's that concrete about to be poured in. And along with that, more glass panels will be added, and more steel and concrete will be poured in. Various equipment is also going to be brought up for the mechanical floors. Here we are.